the network sometimes can even get lost for 2 to 3 days, and usually at that time when there's no network and you feel like you want to call, or maybe there's an emergency call you need to make, there's a mountain you have to go and climb for you to be able to make that call.
I've been waiting all my life for something.
What's up guys, how is everybody doing? I hope that you're all holding up well. For me, I'm very okay. And if you're new here, my name is Claire and I'm at a very remote place that is usually considered very dangerous. It's called Baringo. So it's just in the morning. I woke up, I did some cleaning, and I thought I should maybe show you where I live, guys. So if you've been following up on my videos, you know that I'll be clicking 1 week tomorrow in this place. So I just want to show you how I live here, where I live, and everything concerning that issue. So right now, I just want to take garbage, yeah, and then we'll proceed. So where we dispose our garbage is usually just outside this gate. As you can see, some of it is being burnt already. So this is where we dispose our garbage, and this is my surrounding right now. Ooh, there's a very nice breeze down here. The sun is really bright. It's now 10 a.m. and it's already very hot. So I'm just going to pour down my garbage here. I feel like I should stay here for some minutes because it's really cool down this tree. Yo, I can't keep up with the heat in this place. So maybe let's go, guys, and then I'll just show you how this place really looks like. So we are now going in through this gate. That is how this place looks like. So this is one of the best places to live in this area. In fact, it's the best. It's the toppest. So I'm so happy that I got a vacant room in this space. This is where people hang their clothes. So where I live, it's behind all this. This place is very private, okay? So there's only 3 rooms on this other side, guys. So that's the first one, the second one, and the third one. So I live on that far end there where you can see basins. Yeah, so it's really private because you see, I don't know, these 2 guys who live here, they're not usually here. In fact, the first guy there, I've never seen him. And then the guy on this other room, I saw him yesterday because he came in yesterday, and I think now he's left. I don't know what they do, so they're usually not here. I'm usually the only one around this place, so I have all this space to myself. It's really private and I like it here. And then there's this other tree that gives a really nice shade, and it has very beautiful flowers. And that's my hanging line over there. So I get to use this by myself until these other 2 guys come in. So for now, this whole space is for me, which is really good. So maybe before we go into the house, maybe I should just show you how our toilets look like, yeah, and our bathroom. So the toilet in this place, guys, and also the bathroom is the best in this whole place. Like I told you, these rentals here, like this is the best place you can live in this whole area. Okay, so maybe I should just show you how that looks like. And then over here, there's no house that has maybe the toilet and the bathroom inside. No, all the toilets and the bathrooms are outdoor for all the houses in this area, and then the toilets are all pit latrines. So maybe I should just go and show you guys how that place looks like. I think I should have done that before coming here, but all in all, it's okay. So let's go. We just have to go back this way. So the toilets and the bathroom are near the gate. So, oh my goodness, it's a bit dirty right now. I don't know, it's usually clean, but it has not been cleaned, and this is the situation right now. So that's how the bathroom looks like, guys. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. That's the bathroom. And this is the toilet. So it's a pit latrine. You see? So over here, there is 2 toilets and 1 bathroom. There we go. That's another toilet. So there is, so in this toilet, this is how you close it. With the nail here, you do that. And this other one, that's how you close it. And yeah, it's a bit dirty right now. I don't know. Probably someone is gonna clean it. I don't know. I'm still new here. I don't know how they do the cleaning over here. So maybe we'll close this gate first of all, because it's being banged by wind and it's making a lot of noise. Poa sasa? Huh? Siendi? The gate is not closing, guys. Maybe we'll just leave it at that. So we go back. So the motorbike rider back there thought I was leaving, so he was asking where I want to go so that he can maybe give me a ride. Yeah, so guys, what do you think about this place? Oh, and it's fenced by this iron sheet. So the iron sheets are the fence, and then there's this other small gate right here for the people who live back here. So you can already tell that the privacy here is top notch. Yep. So let's get into the house now. So when I was planning to come to this place, I thought of the options that I had in terms of accommodation. I don't know if it's bright here. Yeah, I thought of the options that I had in terms of accommodation. So there's a guest house within this place. So you have to pay per night. And with that option, I thought that I would only stay maybe 4 days. But I wanted to stay in this place for a longer time. So I thought, why not take a house? Why not rent a house for 1 month, which is way cheaper, and then also live among the locals, because accommodation is quite a bit of a distance from here. So I just wanted to live around the locals here, and that's the only option I had. So I rented a house. It's actually a self-contained room, and it goes for 2,000 Kenyan shillings a month. That's like $2 a month, which is way cheaper. So I had to compare that with getting accommodation for which I had to pay every night, okay? And I thought like renting would be okay, because I would get to stay for a longer time. I would get to interact with the locals very well. And yeah, that's above all, again, it's very cheap, so that's what I opted for. So for those who don't know, I'll be staying in this place for 1 month. I'm just clicking 1 week tomorrow. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'm in the house right now, and I want to show you guys what is going on in here. I'm sweating so bad. Wow, it's just in the morning. It's now 10. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm really sweating. So this is my bed. This is where I sleep, and I can tell you guys, I really love this bed. It's very, very comfortable. Yeah. And then another thing is that the paintings on this wall, the wall needs to be painted. So yeah, that's just about it. So that's how the wall looks like, because it needs to be painted. Anyway, that's my bed. And then over here I have my suitcase and my bags and, you know, all that stuff. And then there I have a basin with some of the clothes that need to be washed. You know, right here, guys, you cannot wash clothes every day or every time because there's shortage of water. So you really have to minimize the usage of water. Yeah, and I put my shoes down there. So that's basically it, guys. This room is like, you know, like just a vacant room that you're given, and then it's up to you to decide how you'll put your, like, it's up to you to decide how you'll arrange the place, where your bed will be, where your kitchen will be, and all that stuff. So right here I have this sheer that separates the rest of the room from my bedroom. Okay, so this is a sheer. When you want to come out of this place, you just, yeah, that's about it. So it's just separated by a sheer right there. Oh, there's a wasp here that is really okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. That's how my bedroom looks like. So this is what I call my bedroom, and that is very comfortable. So there's a window here, guys. I've not had time to put the curtain, but I will. So it's just a block window. There is no window pane and all that stuff. So when you close that one right there, the place becomes so dark. Yeah, so when I just want to come out, that's what I do, and I'm out of this place. So let's open this door for lighting. Hi, there's too much wind here, guys. It keeps closing the door. So, and then right here I have some containers. This container here is for drinking water, and then these other containers I've stored water for cooking. So I have other containers that I store water for, maybe washing clothes, showering, and all that stuff. Over here, guys, you have to store water like this because there's shortage of water. So recently I got a water tank. I was given access to a water tank that is usually locked. Okay, so, and you know, some people, I'm not the only one who uses them. We are about 3 people that use that tank. So if you don't store water like this, people will fetch and fetch and fetch, and then there'll be no water, and it takes time for it to get refilled. And then right here I have my charcoal. So a friend gave me this charcoal. You guys can see I live comfortably. And then when you come to this other side, this is basically my kitchen. Okay, so these are utensils. I just washed utensils here. All these things were given to me, guys, just to push my one month stay in this place. So I just washed those utensils. I have some tomatoes there. I have some food to cook over there, like everything to just keep me going. Okay, I have a gas. Someone gave me a jiko, you know, like I have everything here that will carry me through my stay here. Like, I'm very comfortable. I eat well, I sleep well, like I'm able to run my activities smoothly, and that's all I wanted. Okay, so what else have I not shown you? So there's this container here. I know someone will be wondering what this is all about. So I have a sour milk in here, and someone, you know, this sour milk needs to sit in a fridge, and we don't have a fridge over here. The temperatures are too high. So someone told me that if I get a bigger container and then improvise this into this, it acts like a fridge actually. Okay, so you dip this container into the water in here, and that acts like a fridge. So it doesn't really perform well like how a fridge is supposed to perform, but it still does the work. What do you guys think about this? When you stand from here, so you can see the bedroom right there, and it's separated by this sheer from this other separate room. So yeah, and that's the chair. So I basically have a lot of space right here. So this is just raw and uncut, guys, and I'm living comfortably. I can't even complain. So all these buckets, basins, they were given to me. I was given this jiko right here. I use it to cook sometimes, and this is just how the place looks like. What else, guys? What else have I not shown you? So most of the time I just like staying in this shade because there's a breeze, and then it gets so windy at night. And behind these iron sheets, there is a main road right behind these iron sheets. I think the owner of these houses had initially planned for these 3 rooms to be what can I call, to be shops. Yeah, I think he designed these 3 rooms to be shops because there is a main road passing through there, and then when you see the windows that we have here, they're like those of shops, you know. I think he had designed this place to be shops, and then I don't know what happened, but all in all, this place is really nice. I like it, and it's the best place to live in this whole area. Like, the person who built these houses really designed everything in a really nice manner. There is hygiene is better compared to other places. The houses are really nice compared to other places. And then for houses here, guys, if you find a house that has a ceiling board, it doesn't have tiles, and if it doesn't have tiles, it will have a ceiling board. I don't know if I'm making sense. If it either has to have a ceiling or tiles, one of those. That's why you see, for me, my house, it has a ceiling but there is no tiles, so it's usually either of them. And there is some houses that has none of that at all. There's no ceiling, there's no tiles, like it's just bare like that. So yeah, that's just how life is for me here. I'm really enjoying it. You know, I'm off the grid. There's no pressure here. Like, you know, you just do things at your own pace. Like, yeah, apart from shortage of water and other difficulties, the heat and all that stuff, I'm enjoying every other bit. So yeah, I get to relax. There's no stress, there's no pressure, all that kind of stuff. So for me, I'm enjoying it. So that's just it, guys, for this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Please like this video, you know, comment, let me know what you think about this place. Let me know if you're a new subscriber. Just comment down below and let me know that you're new here. And what else, guys? Thank you so much for your support. I'll keep dropping more and more videos. I'm liking my consistency. And yeah, so another thing that I forgot, guys, internet here sometimes is so bad. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. I was told that sometimes the network, the network sometimes can even get lost for 2 to 3 days. And usually at that time, when there's no network and you feel like you want to call, or maybe there's an emergency call you need to make, there's a mountain you have to go and climb for you to be able to make that call. Can you imagine? So far since I came here, there's always been network, but I don't know how it will be as I continue staying, because staying for 3 days without network is a struggle. Yeah, especially if you're used to having lots of network, you understand? So I don't know. If that day comes, then I'll see what I can do. But for now, everything is going well and smoothly. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, bye.
I've been waiting all my life for something